Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about AWS Local Zones. We'll be talking on what a local zone is, benefits, use cases, and how it works. We'll also differentiate between local zones and availability zones, as well as dedicated local zones and local zones. Let's dive into it. AWS Local Zone is a type of infrastructure deployment that places compute, storage, database, and other select AWS services close to large population and industry centers. AWS Local Zones have their own connection to the internet and support AWS Direct Connect. You can use select AWS services like compute and storage services closer to more end users, providing them very low latency access to the applications running locally. Each AWS local zone is connected to the parent AWS region via Amazon's redundant and very high bandwidth private network. It ensures that applications running in AWS local zones are fast, secure, and get seamless access to the rest of the AWS services. Let's talk about benefits of AWS local zones. AWS local zones offer the following benefits for your organization: low latency and data residency, cost-efficient and scalability, and familiar AWS infrastructure. Let's talk about each of these benefits briefly. Low latency and data residency. You can run your low latency applications and meet data residency requirements in more locations. Cost-efficient and scalability. You can run edge workloads with on-demand scaling and pay-as-you-go pricing. Familiar AWS infrastructure. You can build and operate with familiar AWS infrastructure, services, APIs, and tools. Now let's talk about use cases for AWS local zones. AWS local zones support the following use cases, which cover a broad spectrum of customers' needs: run low-latency applications at the edge, simplify hybrid cloud migrations, and meet stringent data residency requirements. Let's explain these use cases. Run low-latency applications at the edge. Build and deploy applications close to end users to enable real-time gaming, live streaming, augmented and virtual reality, virtual workstations, and more. Simplify hybrid cloud migrations. Migrate applications to a nearby AWS local zone while still meeting the low latency requirements of hybrid deployment. Meet stringent data residency requirements. Comply with state and local data residency requirements in sectors such as healthcare, financial services, and government. Let's see the difference between local zones and availability zones. They sound similar but are different. Local zones are designed to bring the core services needed for the low latency sensitive portions of your workload closer to end users, while availability zones provide access to the full array of AWS services. Local zones provide services like Amazon EC2, Amazon EBS, Amazon VPC, and others locally, and can be used to serve end users in geographic proximity with extremely low latency. While other AWS services like Amazon S3 and Amazon Aurora are accessible privately via VPC over AWS private network. However, Both local zones and availability zones allow you to build applications for high availability. Let's differentiate between local zones and dedicated local zones. AWS dedicated local zones are local zones that are built for the exclusive use by a customer or community. Dedicated local zones offer the same benefits as the local zones. As an additional benefit, AWS works with customers to provide the security and compliance features that they need on their own private zones. These features enable the customer to monitor and control access and operations on their dedicated local zones. Excellent. Now let's see how AWS Local Zones works. AWS Local Zones are a type of infrastructure deployment that places select AWS services closer to your end users and workloads. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the key features of an AWS local zone and the steps you need to follow to use it. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding of how an AWS local zone works in an application environment. In summary, use AWS local zones to run your applications on AWS infrastructure closer to your end users and workloads. Run applications that require single-digit millisecond latency or local data processing. That's all about AWS local zones. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.